Our best player of this ball game coming from the DOJ Beacons. Dito po si Prosecutor Borgie Kalugay. Congratulations po sa inyong kupunan. Sir, ni-require po ba ang inyong kupunan to be present for today's ball game, knowing the gravity na kailangan maipanalo niyo po ang larong ito?
Yes, ma'am. Actually po, mag-i-inquest po sana ako sa task force ng trafficking. Buti na lang na fortunately nakasalubong ko si PG, then he assigned it to other prosecutors.
Will we see the same commitment coming from the DOJ Beacons on your last game against the BIR soon? So ganito rin pa po ba yung makikita nating lineup ng inyong kupunan, kompleto doon sa laro nyo on your next game, which is also crucial para sigurado kayong makakapasok kayo doon sa ating susunod na round?
Yes, expect us something to do like that. Actually, yung isang player namin naka-travel order, si Fiscal Nonilon Tagalikod, is abroad. So, kailangan mo namin mag-exert ng extra effort para ma-complement yung bawat teammate namin.
Sir, this is your first time playing for us here in the Executives Face-Off. Kamusta naman po ang paglalaro nyo dito for the DOJ Beacons?
Actually, nag-expect ako na ng matinding training. Although yung mga kasama namin kasi masyadong busy, so hindi kami nakapag-practice. So we have to do extra practice on our own, and then konting shooting na lang, and that's it.